Dexter. I'm gonna have to sneak peek the bedroom of my son. This is Andrew's bedroom. Has two bed in here. He actually doesn't need two bed because he doesn't like another people sleeping in his bedroom. So I might take this one out, put this one in some of the rooms, but at the moment it stays there because we got lots of bed frame everywhere. And get a teeny bathroom. Just clean that one a little bit. Have to burn that one off. That is one of the room downstairs. It used to be really bad, but I'm glad to see it's coming into a room now. That's a one bedroom.